Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to this quick guide on connecting your brand new Garmin Instinct 2025 to your phone. Pairing your watch is super important because it unlocks all those amazing smart features, like activity tracking and receiving notifications right on your wrist. It's a straightforward process, and we'll walk you through each step to make sure you get the absolute most from your advanced outdoor companion. Before we dive in, let's go over a quick checklist. Make sure you've downloaded the Garmin Connect app to your phone. It's essential for pairing. Also, double-check that your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and your Garmin Instinct has plenty of battery life. Having both devices close by will also help ensure a smooth connection process. Now, let's start the pairing itself. Open up the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. If you're new to it, simply create an account, otherwise, just log in. From the main menu, you'll want to find Garmin devices and then tap Add Device. The app should then prompt you to select your Garmin Instinct 2025 from the options available. You're almost there. Your Garmin Instinct watch will now display a unique pairing code. Simply enter that code into the Garmin Connect app on your phone when prompted. After you confirm the connection on both your watch and the app, your devices will establish a secure link. Your watch will then perform an initial sync, bringing all your activity data and settings into the app. Sometimes, things don't go perfectly, and that's okay. If you run into any trouble, first check that your phone's Bluetooth is definitely on and that your Garmin Connect app is updated. A quick restart of both your phone and your Garmin watch often fixes most connection glitches. And remember, keep the Garmin Connect app open or running in the background for consistent data sync and notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.